Aloha guys, what is good? It has been a long time. I'm gonna try and get through this video as fast as possible because I'm kind of busy and it's really hot here in Hawaii. So I need my AC back on. If you guys can hear my fan in the background, disregard that please. As you guys can tell by the title, we're doing the Gemzeez, for the teeth. So I got mine today in the mail. And I'm like really stoked to open that and put it on my teeth. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put on gloves because you know it's gotta be sanitary. So these are from the Kaplan twins up on TikTok. You can check them out, Kaplan twins. I'll put all their information down below, and of course where you can buy this as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Wow, I didn't think the bag was gonna be this pretty. This bag is so cute. Look at how big that bag is. I love the holographic look. That's my favorite. Oops. Oh, we don't need that. And here is, excuse me. Oh my gosh. So I had to take off my gloves, but for some odd reason it was not working by turning off this camera. So stupid. I had to like pull it backwards and girl, it's just too extra. I'm not like that. Anyways, I thought I lost my jewels because when I looked inside of here, this one already had like a few jewels inside. There's a red one, there's a diamond, and then there's a blue one. I know for a fact that inside that there's more. There's the big jewels and the small jewels. So they're ordering right now, girl. They're giving you extra more. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here's are the directions on the back of the box. It says unbox your kit, rinse your mouth out with water. Here, I have my water right here waiting. And then it says place the cotton roll under the lip. So let's go ahead and just open the box first. Get our like full, genuine first impression of the product. So we're gonna open it up. There we go. See, look, there you go. You got more jewels right there, girl. So you got extra jewels on top of that right now. I'm stoked about that. And the fact that we got the little ones too. Girl, I could do like a whole tooth. Because you got like the little one right there, the other little one, the bigger one, and then you got a big red one. Like, shoot. So you got your light right there. You got your cotton swabs. You got your wax stick. You got your little tiny cotton sticks. So then you have to apply the resin to it with. And then you got your UV. Yeah, that's a lot of resin in there. Oh my gosh, let me open it. Girl, that could do like I could do like a bunch of jewels on my teeth. I just hope I don't lose the diamonds. I mean, honestly, you can just order more Swarovski crystals online. But I'm glad I got all this extra to play with. Like, girl, thank you, Kaplan twins. You guys are like on point, girl. Look at that. That's a lot of liquid. Because all you're doing is dipping it in there like once or twice. And then rubbing it on top of your tooth. Like, girl. All right, let me just go ahead and put on my gloves. Okay. Then you got your jewels. Gotta get your jewel out. I'm gonna use a big jewel. That's what I want to use. You got this cute sticker, this cute vinyl. Is it? Yep, it's vinyl. Cute vinyl sticker. If y'all don't know, I have a vinyl business as well. I do my own stuff. My Etsy store will be below as well. Yeah, that's cool. That's going on my flask, y'all. I like nice stickers on my flask. Cool. Then you got your light. Oh my gosh, you can lock it. Yo, I didn't explain that in the video. What? There's a lock, you guys. You guys don't have to sit there and hold the damn button. They didn't explain that inside of the video, y'all. No one else in their videos explained that about this light. That all you have to do is there's a little tiny thing right here. You see that? It's like a little switch there. That little switch. All you have to do is push it down. Oh, cute. Look at that. I didn't even notice that. That is cute. All you have to do is push it down and look. It stays on, you guys. And you just put it to your teeth. Because I see people holding it down for 3 minutes. Girl, that will make my fingers so, girl. It's going to give me carpal tunnel for my finger or some shit. I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is cool. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and apply this. I'm excited. All right, so I got my water over here. We're gonna go ahead and get all of our stuff ready, and then we're gonna apply this baby. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So there's the jewels. I'm gonna do the big one right there. All right, so I'm gonna put my jewel on my bag. All right, now let me get my wax stick out. One wax stick. So we're gonna turn the diamond over. You know what? We're not gonna even use these gloves. These gloves are just getting in the way because those are large. I don't have small, so just don't worry about it, guys. Okay, let's get out the stick. Let's really get out the stick. This is the one to apply the resin. And this is the wax stick to pick up your jewel, the green one. All right, so now we're gonna take this. We're gonna wash our mouth out. So like I told you guys, I have my own business. I can make stickers. Like this is mine, Aycen, and then Mickey Mouse, and then this is my business, my other business. I have two businesses at the moment, and this is like I sell goodies here in Hawaii. So yeah, let's wash our mouth out. Okay, so you spit that out. And then we're gonna get one of the cotton swabs. Okay, I'm gonna apply to this tooth right here. Only because this one's a little rounder and I don't know if it's gonna sit well there. So I'm just gonna do it on that tooth. And if I don't like it, oh well, I'm gonna be stuck with it until it comes off. Alright, then you're gonna stick this under there. To keep the tooth dry. Then you get your resin. I need a mirror. Hold on, let me get my mirror. So you guys, I'm so sorry, but I totally missed the whole thing. The video, this damn thing deleted the video. So what you want to do is you want to take the brush, you want to dip it into the resin, and then you want to apply it to the tooth, okay? After you're done with that, you want to grab your wax stick, the green one, and you want to grab it. Oh my gosh, this thing is so hard to turn over. So you're gonna grab the jewel with the wax stick, like so, and you're gonna apply it to the tooth where you want it. And then you're gonna take your light, you're gonna turn on the little thing right here, you pull it down, and then it stays on, and you put it on your tooth for 3 minutes. Anyways, like I was saying, I went ahead and applied it without, and this stupid phone deleted the video. Anyway, so this is how it looks, guys. Let me turn the light down. Whoa, that looks so trippy. Whoa, that feels so weird in my mouth. Get it? Oh gosh, that taste. Also, you guys need to know that they said that this is not permanent, that this will last for like 1 to 2 to 3 weeks, I think they said. As long as you take good care of it. Like they said, just like a manicure, if you don't pick at it and you just take care of it, wash it gently and all of that, like same with the brushing the tooth, don't go vigorously and brush your tooth, but it's still gonna be there. Like if you brush your teeth, it's still gonna be there. Like I'm over here like licking it, like I could go like with my t-shirt and look, it's still there. That's not. Make sure when you brush your teeth, just gentle. It's how you're supposed to be with your tooth anyways. You're not supposed to be going like crazy. Anyways, that's the only thing I have to say as well, guys. Yeah, hope you guys like this video and you guys enjoy it. It looks so weird. My nieces and my nephews are gonna be like, what the hell, uncle? Why did you do that? Oh well, it's all good, you know, it's an experiment. But yeah, guys, if you guys are looking actually for more about like a more permanent solution, tattoo shops or your local dentist will be able to give you that permanent solution where your tooth gem will be able to it'll stay in there for like years if you take really good care of it. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, weekend, whatever time you're watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Fly high, my angels, and stay lit. Peace.